as I was washing it, I just wanted to show you what I could see coming off of it, and this is what it looks like. So imagine eating all this, imagine all this going into your body. Look at the color of it, it's disgusting. Take care of your health, wash your meat properly and cook it thoroughly. Cook it properly. No more of this medium rare. So this is what the meat looks like now after I have washed it, and you can see how succulent it looks. It doesn't look hard anymore. If I can put a side-by-side picture in to show you, I will show you the difference of before and after. Look how succulent the meat is, look how clean it looks. And this, when you're eating meat after you've cooked it very well, you won't get sick. And even if I had a lot of people in the comment section saying, well, it's not blood, even if whether it's blood or it's food coloring, would you still want to eat the food coloring? Do you want the food coloring in your body, or would you prefer to cleanse the meat and eat something that's pure and clean? Food coloring or blood, you should get rid of it before you cook your meat. So I've completely drained off the water now, and this is what the meat looks like. Fresh, succulent and clean. I hope you will start washing your meat after you've seen this video, if you haven't been washing your meat before. And I pray that you will be cooking your meat thoroughly, and that will avoid food poisoning and illness as well. Wash your meat thoroughly and cook it thoroughly before eating. Thank you very much for all the time you spent on this video here today, and I would like to see you on the next one. Please subscribe with your notification bell turned on so you don't miss the next upload. Thank you very much for all the time you spent here, and if you found this video useful, please share it with your friends. Thank you very much, guys. See you on the next video. Bye.
The next day.